Let's taste it. Lovely. Soft and nice. What a go and good is? Yeah man, run come here and let's make some barbecue pork ribs. So goodies, as you can see, I have two nice pieces of pork ribs here, and I'm just going to get these barbecued. And I'm doing this in the oven because it's still not summer yet, so we can't go outside. You don't know when outside nice. We're gonna do a whole heap of barbecue outside, so stay tuned to the channel. Don't want to miss those. All right, so I season this overnight because I love when my season soaked in my meat. So I'm just gonna go over the seasoning that I use. I use a teaspoon of garlic pepper powder, a teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, a teaspoon of Maggi chicken seasoning, a teaspoon of Cool Runnings chicken seasoning, and I use just a tad of black pepper because I use a garlic pepper powder which have black pepper in there. And I also go in with some onion salt, a teaspoon of onion salt, and a teaspoon of smoked paprika. So that's what I use to season my pork here. And what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to transfer this to a foil tin, and I'm going to put it into the oven, and I'm baking this at 450 degrees. So you want to stay tuned and see how the process is done. We're going to make our barbecue sauce and everything like that. So you want to see the final result and what else I'm going to add to this beautiful barbecue pork ribs. Okay, goodies. So see, I transfer it to the foil tin, and I added some olive oil on top and also in the bottom of the foil tin. I also rinse the seasoning from the pan that I seasoned the meat in, and I just pour the water on in the bottom because you want a little bit of juice to go and cook up the thing. You understand? Yes. So we're just gonna pop this in the oven now at 450, and then we're gonna sauce him up. So stay tuned for the final result, my friends. Okay, goodies. So as you can see, our pork gets some color. Yes. All right. So as you can see, both sides, so I turn it over and let both sides get nice crispy color. That's how I want it, goodies. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to baste this with the barbecue sauce. Okay, goodies, so we're going to prepare the barbecue sauce. So here I have two types of sauce. I'm using the honey garlic, and I'm using the rib and chicken, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to pour in some of my rib and chicken and then my honey garlic. Good. I'm going to add some sweet soy sauce, about a teaspoon or so of sweet soy sauce, because I want this to be like a sweet barbecue. I love sweet barbecue. And then I'm going in with honey, of course, about 2 or 3 tablespoons of honey. As I said, I love a sweet barbecue, so that's why I'm adding the honey and the sweet soy sauce. I'm now going to go in with some ketchup. So add in the ketchup. Beautiful. All right, so we're just gonna mix this in, just combine it nicely. And I did not add any pepper to my barbecue, but if you want to add some chili, you can add some chili if you need it spicy. But I'm going for more of a sweet taste than a spicy. Okay, so that is it, and we're just going to baste our pork ribs on both sides. So we're going to do one side, put it back in the oven, do the other side, and you're going to need like a nice little brush to brush that on. Okay, goodies? Alright, goodies, so we're done applying the barbecue sauce. Looking beautiful already. So what we're gonna do now, we're just gonna pop this back in the oven for about 5 to 10 minutes. Let's see how it goes. So I barbecued both sides, so I turn it over, put some barbecue on the other side. So I'm going to also flip this in the oven as well. So let's see. Don't go away, goodies. If you like the video so far, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new here, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Okay, goodies, so this is the final result. Look at that barbecue ribs. Oh my. If you love this recipe, goodies, please let me know. Hit that subscription button, turn on your post notification bell, subscribe to the channel if you have not done so as yet. Until next time, walk good and leave me a comment so I can know what you think about this recipe. Soft and nice.